rock if you put it inside water?
Sink.
Sink. You think it will sink?
Yes.
Okay.
Sink.
All right. Okay.
I think you made a mistake. It's not float, it
It's
sinks.
not float. It sinks. Okay.
You made a mistake.
Can you put the two metal cars? Two metal cars. Give one to Aya. Two metal cars. Okay. Put it inside and see. That's the plastic car.
That's my bakui.
Okay. Put the plastic car in.
That's my bakui.
Okay. That's a metal car. All right.
Sinks.
It sinks.
And it floats. And it floats.
Which one floats?
It
Which one?
sinks. Go!
Okay. So the plastic car.
Sinks.
No, floats.
This bakui is inside the water. Oh, you have to put it inside the water. You have to see sweat. Sweat. Now put the bakui.
Okay. Now one bottle with water and one bottle without water. See what will happen?
It's my bakui.
Hmm? Put.
Yeah. Floats.
Both bottles floats.
Floats.
Okay. Put it. Keep it inside.
No.
Keep it inside, darling. Good.
And this bleeding rocks.
And the wood. That's wood.
Which wood?
Give Mali also. No. Keep that. Give.
Yeah.
What happens to the wood?
Two crayons.
Okay. One crayon. Pass it on to Mali.
It's
Sinks.
floats.
Or floats.
Sinks. Yeah.
What happens to the scissors? Give the scissors.
Ah.
Pass on the other scissor.
You can color inside. Yeah,
Okay.
I want to.
With it.
Yeah, you can color inside. It's inside.
Drop the scissor.
You
Mittal,
can
drop
cut
the
it.
scissor.
And this. Now one basket.
One plastic spoon and
Yeah.
one.
It came. I cut it.
Okay, Mittal, shall we drop the scissor inside?
Pencil.
What happens to the pencils?
Two wheels.
What happens to the pencils?
Papers. Things.
What sinks? The pencil sinks or floats? Drop the sponge in and see what happens.
Yeah.
Drop the sponge in and see what happens.
What's your name? What's his name?
That's a plastic cup.
What's your name? You can color.
Good name, darling.
Zuzu. Zuzu. And this is more
So-
difference.
So now you know what sinks and what floats? Ah?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Did you enjoy?
Yes, I am.
You enjoyed?
Yes.
Okay, good. So
So
what?
I'm inside then.
What happened to your wood? Did it sink or float?
Float.
Float.
Everything.
Very good.
Everything float and sinks. Now next it is next. Yes, and you got these. And these. Yeah.
Okay, have a closer look at what sinks and what floats, okay?
And this paper.
Okay, put the paper also.
See, design. See? Look at that one inside.
Okay then.
It's a baby.
You all enjoy.
Now put it inside. Sink or float.
Sink or float experiment.
Show me big one.
Okay.
I want to do.
You want to do that? Okay, but first of all, you have to predict what will happen if we put each and everything inside this.
I will do. First I will do.
Inside the water. Okay. What do you think will happen to the sponge if you put it inside water? Mikesh?
It reverse in my boat.
What do you think will happen to the sponge if you put it in water? Sink or float? Sink.
Why?
Okay,
Why?
you think it's gonna sink, right?
Mama,
Huh?
why?